Baru dia muka Eropa.
Okay.
Right, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Right, talking about your opinion about social media nowadays. Right, I myself love social media very love because you know what? For me, social media is important because you know with social media I could live because you know what? I can learn many languages with social media. Example on Skype, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, anything but social media. But I very love for using WhatsApp because for WhatsApp I can video call with every single people all the world. I'm practicing my this accent, the American accent, then Spanish, and then Esperanto, a little bit Arabic, then Dutch. But but it depends on condition. A lot of people using for social media is bad effect. Example, using posting about pornography, then playing games. They waste their time, hours, 24 hours, day and night. They don't care about their parents, their mother, their father. Don't care anything about how is it you live them with every as human being how we get get along. That easy going with every single people. They forgot everything about how we make socialism, about civilization, about every single crazy people nowadays. I myself I don't judge every single for as human being, every single people must learn or must using social media for bad effect or good effect. This kind of people nowadays, because like the Francis just now, every day, a lot of people, a lot of nation nowadays, they knew what their food eat nowadays. You know what? In nature nowadays, they knew what their food eat nowadays. You know what I mean? Yeah. The point is, I myself, if social media get banned by government of Indonesia, maybe go to rotation, can asking for governor. Come on, Paul, what? For me, I love social media. Show me what without social media, I could live. Can get friends. Europe, United States, United Kingdom, Australia, get friends there. That I can promote 5 countries. You know what? Actually, 5 countries. Rhythm Indonesia, I can promote that with Esperanto language, Spanish language. Totally with mostly with English is important nowadays. Because from this to the end of the day, not only people, also animals can speak English. Including Mongols can speak English. You know what I mean? People can speak nowadays anymore. I never got bored. Say day and day, every single time about that my wife's word. Every single day, what? From this to the end of the day, not only people, but also animals can speak English. Including Mongols can speak English. So I think English is important nowadays. No, it's important. But the important thing, after mastering Arabic like him, English like him, then Esperanto, Spanish, then shake hands with a speaker from Europe, people can become American sister, American sister. But I always make going friend when they speaker United States or United Kingdom. They brought me because why you can't speak Redneck accent because a lot of people use the Redneck accent. No. I myself almost 5 years using or spend my time for increase English accent like the speaker around the world. The point is, I don't judge every single one who wants to use social media, bad effect or good effect. It's dependent people nowadays. I myself using social media when I start learning Esperanto or Spanish or Dutch, Italian, German, I using Skype. Whole world got from there. Yeah, whole world. You know what? The point is social media is important. You know, a lot of explain about social media because I heard a lot of people just now explain social media about what that's now. For like endorse for Instagram, there's something about product, I don't know anything about that, I don't sell what. I myself, I love YouTube for making a little bit channel videos, just share about that. So about my tourism in Indonesia, example Aceh, because Aceh island still untouched island. You know what? Nowadays, the point is independent people. What are you waiting for? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.